Mi estou sumamente contente para escuchar passo em qual Soul Beach um ano mais está canando e ano aqui sumamente contente de ter com diferentes hotéis tem caso aqui hotel na kuta patronizar Marriott, Renaissance, Divi kuta praticamente está completamente llencaba no momento nang aqui outro hotel na kuta ambita sponsors ku Hyatt etc kuta coming on board também mira ku rapidamente bookings nang tawaro assim que é sumamente positivo tá evento nang naturalmente manema bisa hobby biata acaparar destinação nang mercado nang na qual normalmente nos nota cater body mercadeo que toma lugar diretamente que men eta added value seguro para ter evento aqui na Aruba que 3 4 mil gente 5 mil gente Aruba e lo que me por escuta mostra que aqui nós também tem outro ano sumamente exitoso me te querer para pueblo de Aruba também com pari artista que conheci hobby conheci na Aruba que me te querer com nossa comunidade também tá guardo privilegiar com bom apresentação de quantidade de artistas que vai estar presente durante o Soul Beach Music Festival.
Para hobby honesto, me tinha bem comparelho com isso nunca passa. Botava tem algum hobby duro, mas não bisa just bom nível. Tava tem of dois que eu bisa, e tava mais arriba, balançar arriba, e juventude. Esse aqui, para mim, é mais melhor balançar para old school, mas me tinha e também para jovem. Mas eu botin Ashanti, pero botin também, bijvoorbeeld Robin Thicke, que cai hobby din style, pero se você está também com nós também com Babyface, pessoa de tanto anos de experiência, e Sisters with Voices, que tá grupo de hobby, qualidade hobby alto.
So we're really excited, not to mention the beach parties, the fun DJs at night at the nightclubs. Looking forward to bringing this one in. I think we're going to hit over 4,000 this year. We really see about a 15% increase over last year already in our ticket sales. Hotels, like I said, are packed to the brim already. We're still, 3 weeks out. There's an excitement, I think, about Aruba, period. And the people that have been here, they've seen all the renovations. They've been staying at the hotels, and that word has spread. And I think with social media, we've been able to get the word out about everything that's new on Aruba. So I think that helps a lot, that immediately you get a return. I think when I look around at the coming here throughout the year, that it's not only for the weekend where, in the economy, there's almost a $10 million drop just for that weekend. It's one of the highest spending weekends per average, and we were looking at all the economic surveys on how well and how much people spend during that week. But even bigger than that is there's a residual effect where people, once they experience Aruba, they come back time and time again with or without our festival. So we have a lot of people who have planned their weddings here, who have come back with conventions here. And I think when you start adding that into the mix, it grows and grows exponentially. So I think that the combination of people learning, sometimes, if you have a restaurant and the hardest thing is to get people to taste the food. But once they taste it, and if you've got a good product, they keep coming back for more. And I think that that's the great thing about Soul Beach. It gives them a chance to get a taste of Aruba, and they get hooked.